talk. Padali na.
Okay, fast talk.
Fast talk ka lang.
Okay.
So, ready na. Siyempre, alam niyo naman yung parang mag-fast talk, di ba? Pipili lang kayo. Ay, very competitive.
May timer ba to? Wala naman.
Ako din.
Wala naman.
Okay, ako din. Maging competitive din ako. Okay, ready? Fries or McNuggets?
Fries. Ay.
Sabay kami.
Go.
Fries.
Okay. Nuggets.
Okay, don't hesitate.
Don't hesitate, okay.
Okay, Sunday or McFloat?
Sunday.
What flavor?
Ako, ngayon, McFlurry pwede ba yun?
Or
yung
Sunday.
matcha. Or pag Sunday caramel.
You also
Ganun din.
Ah?
Try niya sa akin last time.
Oo, tama. Okay, next. Large fries to share or BFF fries para sa sarili?
Large fries to share.
Pwede bang large shake fries?
Wow, specific!
Favorite ko
Anong
talaga yung
flavor?
Barbecue.
May mga barbecue shake fries ba doon? Ang
sarap, diba?
Yeah, shout out to you. Ako din.
Yes,
Favorite ko din
actually,
barbecue.
ang saya kasi ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mo, diba? Like, you put it in the bag, you put the fries, you put the powder. So, parang gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yung experience na yun before you get to eat the actual fries.
May activity,
Yes.
experience.
Pinagpaguran bago makain.
Yes.
I love it.
Delayed gratification.
Yes.
Okay, next. Drive-through date or dine-in date?
Drive-through.
Ay.
Oo, parang drive-thru
Drive-thru.
din ako.
Gusto ko pinag-isipan
Parang mas
mo pa.
masaya ako. Drive-thru, tapos magpa-park lang din doon.
Ay, sweet!
Oo, para talagang mas intimate. Kayo lang dalawa sa car.
Oo. Pagkwentuhan, gano'n.
Yeah.
Mas maganda sa Tagaytay kasi malamig doon eh. Diba yung branch na makuha sa Tagaytay? Ganda ng view.
Yes!
Yun sana.
Yan! Oo, gusto ko yun. Okay, now you guys know. Yun, ganun pala. Okay, love language. I'll order for you or share tayo?
I'll order for you.
Talaga? Okay lang share tayo.
Share tayo.
I'm the type. I would share.
Very well balanced ang Barda. Gusto ko yun. Okay, next. Who orders first, Barbie or David?
Nagpapabebe kasi ako. Kahit kaya ko namang umorder muna.
Paano?
Nagpapabebe. I let the guy order first. Parang, sige, what are you gonna get for me? Ganun.
Gusto ko yun.
Tapos parang, sige, original chicken. Spicy.
May link sa spicy chicken McDo.
Oh, spicy.
Do you have any spicy chicken McDo fans here?
Yes.
Anyone? Ako din.
I love it.
We love it. Okay, next. We have, who is more likely to eat the last fry? Yung jahe pizza.
Si Barbie siguro.
Si Barbie. Is that a resounding yes?
Ako. I'm a bit of both kasi gusto ko yung crispy tsaka gusto ko yung medyo soft na. So yeah, I can eat the last fry also.
Okay, next. If Barda were a McDo order, a la carte or value meal?
Value meal.
Value meal, bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi kompleto kami together.
Wow! Ako parang a la carte ako. Kasi parang gusto ko siya lang.
Ay!
Isa lang.
Grabe! Loyal kasi tayong lahat. Loyal! At dahil dyan, may point kayo dyan. Oo. But honestly, who takes longer to decide their order? Barbie or David?
Parang parehas kaming decided na, no?
Yeah.
Alam nila.
Pagtatanungin ko siya, ready na siya.
Paborito kasi namin talaga is may go-to order na kami talaga.
Yeah. Ano nga yung go-to ko?
Ang nuggets, sabi mo. Tama ba? Nuggets. Tapos yung dalawang, chicken, sabi mo kanina. Tapos rice. Tapos...
Ang dami.
Oo, ang dami. Para sa kanya lahat yun,
Yun. Kasi
Pieces
masarap.
nuggets, actually.
Ayun.
Masarap naman talaga kasi.
10 pieces.
10 pieces nuggets. Oh, wow. Isa yung lahat.
Protein. Yun talaga
yeah.
yan. Okay, the bigger flex. Libre mo siya with points or libre ka niya with points? Kayo naglilibre or sila yung nanilibre?
Libre namin each other with points.
Actually,
Wow.
yun yung bigger flex doon na parang equal share.
Yes.
Kasi parehas kaming may app eh.
Totoo.
Diba? Flex namin parehas. Kaya mo kung ilibre with your points, I can also treat you with my points.
Di ba? At ngayon, dahil may My McDonald's rewards na pwedeng-pwede mo na ilibre with points. So thank you so much, Barbie and David, for giving us that fast talk. Once again, do you want to just say thank you to everybody and give a message to everybody who joined us here today?
Maraming salamat again for coming here. And of course to McDonald's, thank you so much for entrusting us this prestigious ambassadorship, you know. So thank you so much, and sa lahat din ng mga nandito, the media, the influencers, social media content creators. Thank you so much, and sa lahat ng mga nandito, sana ay kumain tayo sa McDonald's mamaya.
Ayan, ako naman po, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat for spending this holiday with us, with McDonald's, to celebrate this event. Maraming salamat po. Again, we do encourage you to please install the app. Napakadali po niyang gamitin. Makikita nyo doon yung mga limited offerings nila. Tapos meron doon restaurant. So parang matatrack niya kung nasan ka. Tapos makikita mo yung mga nearby McDonald's na wala sa ibang food delivery apps. Kaya isa lang yan sa mga perks ng mismong McDonald's app. And syempre, the rewards, yung points talaga. Kasi every order may points ka eh. Hindi ka talaga titipirin ng McDonald's. Talagang laging may point yan. So sana ay you get to support and install the McDonald's app. Thank you so much.
Yes, and straight from Barbie na yan So if you do not download the app, I don't know. Yun na talaga yung sign ninyo. But once again, everybody, Barbie Forteza and David Lecapro.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Let's give them a round of applause. Ayan. There you go. Konting picture. Ayan. Thank you so much. Once again, Barbie and David Lecapro. Perfect. So guys, narinig nyo straight from them that the McDonald's app has so many things that you guys can, of course, enjoy, from obviously ordering your food, but now the My McDonald's rewards. With every bite, every meal, may points